Just open it. Sup? Charig lang. Hi everyone! Hi mga tao! It's me, your queen of OMG. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Bakit iba yung akin? Alam mo, iba yung nakabili ko. Translucent din yung akin, but it's like honey.
Kulay mo yun.
It's the same, ha?
Tinted lang.
Hi! Hi, Maymish! Ka lang, dyan lang kayo. Mini-make up ko siya. Ang inam. Kung nga kayo, ikigil ako sa inyo. Nakikita ko kayo, wow. Kamusta kayo mga bading? What's up mga gay? It's Kiana. With a K.
J.
What's up mga gay? It's Johnny. With a J.
Napaisip ka doon?
Napaisip ako. Hello po. Welcome sa live. Pasok lang. Charing. Drag makeup ako ngayon, gago. Hindi tayo ngayon pageant. May show kami mamaya. It's going to be like a brunch show. Pero it's a birthday celebration as well for Didi Marie Holiday. Sana kung asan man siya.
Pagpala siya.
Ay, buhay pa pala siya. Bayan? Buhay pa pala alaga ko. Sawadika! Sawadika! Hey there, yan! Are you from Thailand? Are you a Filipino or you're Thai? That went to Thailand. Ah? Charing. Are you man? Ulul gago. I am a man. What do you think? Does your mom like this? Look like this?
Ba't may pautong kasi?
Hello. Welcome to my... Gago sabog to. Come on, baby. Subo kita. Come on, baby. Subo kita. Alam mo, bakla nawawala yung eyeliner ko. Bakla, may brown ka pa diyang eyeliner?
Liquid?
Hindi.
Pencil?
Pencil.
Ano ba ito? Si John Pederiaga? Walang kagamit yan.
Ginakaw nga eh. Alam niyo ba na wala na ako ng makeup? Mga mami. Wala na ako ng makeup eh. Nakakainis. Hindi talaga maamin. Wow. Ano kaya yun? Alam naman niya sa siguro, hindi sa kanya yun. Babasag ako, gago. Ayoko sa lahat yung nananakawan ako.
Okay lang. Share your blessing.
Tapos na ako mag-share ng blessing. Tiyari! Pakabiter sa buhay. Hindi pa ba blessings na maganda ako? Nakatingin sila? Hindi ba parang blessings na rin yun? Hindi, okay na. Thank you, Sasma. Ganda ko ba today? Drag ako ngayon, gago. Drag siya ngayon.
Kung magalala dyan, ikaw pinakamaganda.
Sa naman, binabasag yung fantasy ko niya. Gago, pumasok yung eyeliner sa mata ko!
Nangitim ba mata mo? Cotton bud.
Reflections of your love have come to me. I thought I'd done my best to memorize a picture of things of you and I together. I haven't come to terms with how we said goodbye. Did you really care for me? Did you care?
Ay, Nicolas. Hola, papi.
Hi, Papi. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Thanks.
You're doing well.
Hello po. Kagwapa ba? Thank you, Nick.
Pleasure. You know what pleasure is?
What?
My pleasure. It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure.
I feel very pleasured.
Oh,
Oh.
I don't feel any pleasure right now.
Talaga.
Okay, I'm just gonna set it right here next to all the things that I brought for you today, okay?
Thank you, my love.
And she's gonna forget about it. How's the mug?
The mug is muggy.
It's mugging me. I don't have any money. Stop mugging me.
Kiri balaga.
Baka ito
Ganda ba mima niya? Yan yung alaga ako dito. Inspired siya mag-makeup, gago.
Yes, my love.